Dealing with dandruff constantly, we know that the struggle is real. So we've put together 10 of the best home remedies like oils, masks, and rinses to instantly get rid of dandruff completely naturally. Mix together some coconut oil with a couple drops of tea tree oil. Coconut oil helps treat dandruff-causing dryness, while tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties to banish all those flakes. Apply it to your scalp and rinse after an hour. Make your own dandruff shampoo by crushing an aspirin tablet and adding the powder to your shampoo. Aspirin has salicylic acid, which helps fight dandruff as a part of your regular routine. Methi has always been an amazing dandruff buster. So grab some seeds, soak them overnight, drain out the water and grind them into a paste. Use it to gently scrub sections of your scalp to exfoliate away flakes and prevent them from coming back, and then rinse after 30 minutes. Since Methi is such a star, you can also make your own oil for a less messy treatment. Take 1 cup of coconut oil and add 1/4 cup of Methi seeds. Heat it till the oil browns slightly, and that's it. Apply the oil to your scalp in sections to be totally flake-free. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH level of your scalp and reduces dandruff. Mix equal quantities of apple cider vinegar and water and store it in a spray bottle. Spray it on 30 minutes before washing your hair and see the difference. Aloe has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that will calm your scalp. Apply some gel to your scalp and rinse after 30 minutes to feel soothed and squeaky clean. Make a magic mask with 2 tablespoons of methi powder and enough yogurt to make a paste. Methi has antifungal properties and yogurt has lactic acid that gently exfoliates away the dandruff flakes. Apply it all over and wash it off after an hour. Take a handful of neem leaves and boil them with 2 cups of water. Spray it on after washing your hair and allow the antimicrobial properties of neem to get to work. You can also mix neem oil with a carrier oil like coconut and apply it for a few hours. It will work just as well as a neem rinse. Rosemary has medicinal properties that keep your scalp super clean and fresh. Boil 2 cups of water and add in 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Let it simmer for 5 minutes and then strain once cooled. Add in a couple drops of almond oil to add some nourishment to your mist. Spray it on and massage it into your scalp anytime it feels flaky. Try out any of these methods to make sure your scalp is clean, fresh, and totally flake-free. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.